Hey, Janice Lamb here with Everyday Chaos. I just wanted to show you what's been going on and a little bit of an update of the house. So the new tool room going on in here, and we're working on a costume thing for Levi's costume. I'll let him tell you what it is. We're gonna use his wheelchair out of it, obviously. So not much is changing here, but this is still gonna be like laundry room, bathroom. Let's see if you can follow my finger. So I'm going like this. This will kind of still be part of it, but you'll see in the end. So let's head upstairs. Today we did go pick out tile for the bathroom though. Let me show you. Went with that to go in the bathrooms upstairs. Because I did decide to go ahead and keep the black and white, I'm just gonna re-grout it because it's actually not bad. And then I'm gonna repaint this tub. It's still reusable. We're just gonna change some things on it and then go with that tile. Okay, so this is the prep stage. We're doing one of the kids' bathroom. We're just revamping it, and before I can put the tile in, I have to paint the walls first, so I'm just prepping with that. And he's prepping all the floor. Coming in. So I'm gonna repaint this tub and just use it. And I'm gonna keep that tile. But yeah. Okay. So in order to revamp this tub, I was gonna say that I'm gonna paint it with white vinyl painting, so it kind of goes with the tile on here. Since we're keeping it, I like the fact that it's shallow for Levi, because, you know, with epilepsy and the whole water really freaks me out. So I'm glad that it's shallow and it's a small tub. It's easy for him to get in and out. But before I paint it, I am scrubbing it, and then I think I have to kind of lightly sand it and then paint over it. So we'll see what the vinyl painting says. So this is the marine coating I'm using for the fiberglass. Let's see. It does say that I do have to sand it. So that's gonna be fun, but you know what? It's gonna look good. All right, it's starting to get too dark to keep filming. We gotta turn some lights on in here and put power in this bathroom, but at least we'll have a working bathroom, so that's cool. Okay, so stay tuned for the next one, which will be painting the tub, and then I can paint the rest of this room, and then we can tile. Stay tuned.